How's it going, guys? My name is Mac, and this is my 2021 Toyota Tacoma Off-Road, aka Cherry Bomb. And today we're going to go over my first 5 Tacoma mods and why I got them in the order that I did. Let's get started. The first thing that I installed literally within a week of buying the truck was the CBI bolt-on sliders. Now, I cannot stress this next point enough, but it's the fact of buying stuff used. These sliders, brand new, are over $1,100. But I was able to find them on Facebook Marketplace for $400. Unless you're just made of money, there's no reason why you shouldn't be buying stuff like this used. The CBI sliders are gonna get beat up and bashed, so buying them scratched from someone else isn't gonna make much of a difference. And I always wanted a pair of sliders, so I was happy to get them, and they protect that rocker panel, that very vulnerable side of your truck right below your doors. And it's just gonna allow you to go over more obstacles with a lot more confidence, and it's just gonna protect your car. So these are a no-brainer. Now, the second big mod that I got was the Sos OffRoad Concepts single swing out bumper. And again, it's so important, buy used. Brand new, this bumper with all the options and specs is over $2,000. But I got it used, actually from the same guy that I got the sliders from. So it's just so important to buy used. Join those Facebook groups, ask your friends if they're selling anything. You can save a lot of money in the process with this expensive hobby. But I got this bumper because it improves your departure angle, because it moves the hitch inside of the bumper, so it's gonna raise it up about 3 or 4 inches. And then also the spare tire is now not underneath, it's gonna be on the back. So one, it just looks cool, and you also hold extra gas. But that's also gonna improve your departure angle because you won't be dragging on your spare tire all the time. So highly recommend a rear bumper, especially a swing out where you can get that tire moved from under your bed onto the back. Now for number 3, I'm going to combine 2 because they're both in like the exterior category. So for 3A, we have the Windjet Smoked Raptor taillights. And these were sponsored to us by Baby Calviota, and he sent them out. They were from his old truck, and they look great. They're awesome at night. I really love them. And then also the Pro Grill, and this was sponsored by F3 Tactical, which just looks better than the off-road grill, which I think is a really good grill because it puts the TSS sensor inside the Toyota emblem, which looks really clean. But I do just love that classic heritage where it says Toyota on the front. So these 2 things are awesome. And then number 4, we have the Toytec 2.5-inch lift. You can max up to 3 inches, but we keep it at 2.5. And then the All Pro Off-Road upper control arms, which these were sponsored by Imperial TRD Pro. And both of these are important. It's important once you put the lift on to upgrade the upper control arms, or else it's just gonna feel rough. But with upper control arms and a lift, it feels like a factory truck. You can't tell the difference. So if you're gonna get a lift, make sure you upgrade your upper control arms in the process. The lower control arms can last a lot longer, but the upper control arms, you're gonna notice the difference. And then number 5, we have the RCI Off-Road Skid package. Now I want to get the complete skid package, which will also include the gas tank skid and the rear diff skid. Now, this was something that I couldn't find used. It's not as popular of a mod, I'd say, as sliders and bumpers, but it's very, very important. The skids that come with the Tacoma are pathetic. They're total trash. They aren't gonna last more than 1 off-road trip. They literally, on my first trip, failed. They're so thin, so it's really important to upgrade those because you wanna protect all of your components. When you get the 3-piece set from RCI, it's gonna protect your engine, your transmission, and your transfer case, which are all very important and expensive components. So these are a must-have if you're doing any sort of off-roading. Well, that's going to wrap up this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you want to check out this video, which is where I did a walk around of everything that I've done in the truck, make sure to check that out. Make sure to click the everything link down below where you can go to my store, my Instagram, my Tacoma World Forum, and anything else I've got, any of my affiliate links down there. But again, thank you guys so much for watching. God bless, and we'll see you guys next time. Bye.